Computer sir, I heard that even a single line if-else can be nested?
Yes, Meena, it's not usually recommended. I'll show you how it works. Now we will extend our shorthand if-else with shorthand if-else nested. That means another if condition within if condition, but in shorthand form. So this I would call one line nested if-else. As per Pythonic norms, normally people avoid this. We prefer writing a normal if-else nested. But since this exists, we must at least understand this, because sometimes programmers may write this. So again, that integer a, b we collect as a and b using this integer function and input function. So our aim is to get which one is bigger or both are same. So if you have seen the past shorthand if-else exercise, you will understand it quickly. Please see this. The statement is like this: print a if a greater than b, else print b. Then further nesting, if a less than b, else print same. That means another condition has come into picture. Okay. Then we'll see how it works. Suppose we are giving 12 and another value as 13. So the output is b, because b is bigger. I'll write b bigger here. B bigger. Since the line was long, so I made this same. This a bigger. Right? Just to give you a better picture. Now I'll make a bigger. 12, 11. So a bigger. Suppose both are same. 10, 10. Same. Right? So this is an example of where if-else has been nested within the shorthand command. Right? Using the AI, we can check its flow diagram also. I gave a command like, can you explain the nested if-else portion of this code with a line drawing? It actually doesn't draw a visual line diagram, but with normal characters it gives a decision flow. Is a greater than b? Yes, print a. No. Is a less than b? Yes, print b. No, print same. Right? So first condition, nested condition, otherwise condition. So this has come. Okay. And you can see further how to handle these inputs with a function, or convert the logic into match case statement, rewrite the code using standard if-else block. If you want for readability, you can use this. So we have various conditions, but for completeness sake, I had told you this kind of shorthand if nested, if-else nested. Right? So this makes actually a long statement, so sometimes errors may creep in. That's why people avoid this kind of writing. Okay. If you want further questions to me, you can ask in comments, and please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.